case, son.
What's your name?
Whoa!
Whoa!
What's his name is Fall Down.
Her name is almost Fall Down. Now let me ask you
My
something.
name is the Flash.
And what's the Flash? What's his special power?
To run fast.
Okay, what's your name?
The Flash.
Turn your head to the side. Look way over there. I want to see your lightning bolt.
No, turn your head over here.
Kerpow!
Go pow!
Okay, give me the hands on the hips again. Now what do you say when you go to the door?
Trick or treat!
And what do you say when they give you candy?
Thank you.
And then you run to the next door?
And you
Hey,
get...
Daddy.
What?
What's him show you? First, walk up to the house. Second, ring the door. First say, trick or treat.
Then what?
Then you go to the next
What
house.
word did you forget?
I don't know.
Damn.
When they give you the candy, what do you say?
Thank you.
And what happens if you forget to say thank you?
You have to give it back.
Have to get it back.
You got to give the candy back. Okay, how many days to Halloween?
2 more days.
2 more days. Are you ready?
I'm ready to go trick or treating now.
Okay, bye-bye.